Hello friends, it's Erin from LizzieandErin.com. Tonight I got a really cute project. I just picked up a few new items at Dollar Tree and I want to go ahead and turn them into something cute. So guys, I found these cute little farmhousey looking houses. They're little candle things. I can't think of the name of them, but anyhow, they're super cute. Got these at Dollar Tree tonight. So we're going to use these tonight on our tray. I also had a pack of moss balls that I got from Dollar Tree also. We're going to use those. I got this tray right here tonight from Dollar Tree. It is so stinking cute. They're calling it a charger plate. And it's from Dollar Tree. So I found this over in the where the plates and the cups and the charger plates are, is where I found this. So we're gonna turn this into something cute. I've got some white chalk paint here that I already mixed. I'm gonna use some Mod Podge, a few paint brushes, and a piece of scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I got this 4 for $1, so very inexpensive. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do, let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my white chalk paint, and the reason I'm using chalk paint is so that it adheres to this surface here, this plastic surface, okay? If I just used plain apple barrel acrylic paint, it may not stick to it. It may peel, it may scratch. So that is why I'm using chalk paint, so that it adheres to the surface. So I'm only going to worry about the edges of my tray here because we are going to lay the scrapbook paper down here in the middle. So I'm just gonna work my way around. I'm probably gonna do 2 coats of this. So we'll get our first coat on here nicely. And this is kind of a tray that I would just kind of set up on a shelf or on a table, dining room table, island in the kitchen. Super cute. So many options on what you could do with it. All right, so I'm not really too worried about how it looks on this first coat. I just want to get it on there and get it dried so I can go ahead and apply that second coat. I'm going to use my heat gun. My heat gun is from Harbor Freight. I'm going to quickly dry this the paint. When you're drying paint, you guys, with a heat gun, keep it moving, okay? Don't stay on a spot too long or long at all. Really just keep moving because it will make your paint bubble if you stay on a spot too long. So just keep it moving. Let your heat gun blow the heat. Just get it really nice and dry. And because this is plastic, be careful. You want to make sure it's not going to melt it too. All right. There we go. Looks like that's nice and dry. I'm going to go ahead and start with my second coat now. I'm really excited about this little tray. It's going to be very, very cute. I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but there's a lot. I'm out in my garage. That's where my craft space is. And that is where I do my lives and my recorded videos here. And I don't know if y'all can hear or not. I'm sure that you can. But my garage, the wind is crazy tonight. So bad that it's really pushing on the garage. I even heard the trash cans hit the garage door a little bit ago. So the wind is crazy tonight. When I was out and about tonight, I was in the parking lot going to the truck after shopping, and I felt like the wind was like trying to pull me over. I was like, my goodness, it's crazy. Okay, second coat's on. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. There's one little spot over here that I want to touch up just a little bit. There we go. I didn't go far down enough to our tray. Okay. Okay, maybe I found a few spots. Okay, that's okay. All right, let me dry this real quick. Okay, there we go, perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this aside, kind of let it cool down a second. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my, oh, made my cardboard bend. Okay, I'm gonna pull out my scrapbook paper. Again, this is from Hobby Lobby. They're 4 for $1. I went ahead and traced out my, my line here. And the way that I did that was I laid it right here on my tray and just traced it out just like that. And so my paper is a tiny bit too long for my tray. So I have a little mark right there to cut that as well. So let's get this cut. And this cut also. Okay, very cute. Guys, you can use any kind of scrapbook paper too. I just happen to love this this print here, so that's why I'm using it, because I just love it. Okay, so now let's test it out and see if it's gonna fit. I think that's a pretty darn good fit. I see it goes up a little bit over here, but you know what? I'm gonna go with it. I'm okay with that. Okay, all right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my Mod Podge. I get mine from the Dollar Tree, guys. I love these little bottles. And I'm just gonna squirt mine right in there. And then spread it all around. Making sure to get your edges really good. Make sure they stay down. Don't go too crazy with the Mod Podge. It will make your paper crinkle up. It really doesn't take much Mod Podge to do the job. A little bit goes a long way. I'm also using matte Mod Podge. I prefer to use the matte. I feel like if I got on my paint, I feel like if I were using the glossy, it would leave a shiny spot. So I always just prefer to use the matte, even when I'm doing other projects. I'm gonna get rid of some of that Mod Podge. I put quite a bit on there. I'm a little crazy. All right, perfect. Okay, maybe not perfect. Good enough for me. Okay, Mod Podge is on there. I already cut my piece of scrapbook paper, so I'm just gonna get that lined up in here. And then flatten it all out. Guys, is this not cute already? I'm gonna use my fingernail to go across like the edges. Really want to make sure those are down really good. Mash that paper down, smoothing out any bubbles. Guys, this is cute already. I love it. Look at that. Transformed. We went from this right here. It was cute just like this too. But guys, look at that. Adorable. I bought a few of these guys because I have a few ideas for them. So, okay, so here we are. This is what we got. I'm going to take my sanding block here. This one is heavily used, okay? And I'm doing that on purpose because if I go at this with a new sanding block, I feel like it's going to take off a lot of the paint. And I don't want to do that. I just want to gently smooth it off. I'm not trying to bring out too much of the gold that's underneath there, so I don't think the gold really goes with this project. So all I'm trying to do is just smooth out my paint. All right. Okay. Now, one last thing that I would do is I would go ahead and take your brush and seal the paint. And you can seal this paint with Mod Podge. We'll use this to put our Mod Podge on. This is just Mod, well, I'm gonna need more than that. It's just Mod Podge. I'm gonna put this right over my white paint. To seal that in there. All right, perfect. Dry that real quick. There we go, y'all. Look how cute that is. I love this. Okay, so let's decorate our tray now that we're done with it. Let's decorate it up with our Dollar Tree items. Dollar Tree tray, Dollar Tree items. Here we go, guys. Look how stinking cute. Y'all aren't going to be able to see this all that well because you're looking down, but look at that. Little tray, few things from the Dollar Tree, few moss balls. I wish I had a few more. I would have put a few more and spread them out. But anyhow, guys, in this adorable Dollar Tree decor, absolutely love this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I know that I did. Here, that'll give you a little bit of a view. Okay, I absolutely love this. It's simple, it's cute, that was easy, and it is inexpensive. If you like this, let us know in the comments. And also, our shirts, this one here that I'm wearing right now, Perfectly Imperfect, I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, just let us know. And sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. All right, y'all, have a great day, evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this. And stay tuned to Lizzie and Aaron for lots more. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.